You're always late to the party or missing these big moves or stuck catching these baby moves or falling victims to fake outs and liquidity sweeps. This video is going to show you exactly how me and members on a 10+ win streak this month had a 100% win rate this week, 100% win rate last week, and had a 95% win rate last month. Yes, you heard that correctly. So make sure to watch to the end of this video because I'm about to put you onto some serious game. My name is Playmaker Way, and I work from working 2 jobs 6 days out the week, busting my ass, to becoming a profitable full-time trader for the past 3 years. And I've been teaching people how to do the exact same thing while debunking all the BS concepts and myths on the internet when it comes to trading. Now, this video right here, we're going to be breaking down this beautiful NAS 100 trade. As you can see right here, it says risk reward ratio 4.9. So that's basically a 1-to-5 risk reward ratio setup, meaning whatever you would have risked, you would have made 5 times that amount. So if you would have risked $1,000, you would have made $5,000. If you would have risked $100, you would have made $500 off this one trade alone. Not only did I catch this setup, look at the day at the bottom of the screen, Tuesday the 3rd, but you know how to make sure the member students in Playmaker University caught this setup as well. Again, you see the same date, June the 3rd. You see my screenshots. I said what we're looking for with NAS and gold. We click the screenshot right here. You can clearly see the same level. Pay attention to this. The same level I said we're looking for buys to the upside going to 21,658. We look right here. We see the same move, same exact level. We click right here. We go to settings. Same exact price point. Again, there is no cap in my rap. We really do this shit over here. So if you're interested in Playmaker University, click those links in the description. But in this video, I'm going to show you exactly why we went for buys and not for sells here, and how you can catch a similar move just like this one. So the first thing I always tell the members and students you have to do is you need to identify the trend. Now, we're not just identifying the trend on the smaller time frame, we're identifying the trend on the bigger time frame. One of the biggest mistakes I used to make, and a lot of y'all are making, is you're trying to rush the progress and process. You're trying to identify the flow of price and trend on the same time frame you're taking trades on. You cannot do that. The smaller time frame only explains what price is doing at that exact moment. However, the bigger time frames explain what price has been doing for the past day, for the past week, and past month, and the direction is most likely going to continue to go. So as we can clearly see here, we have bullish momentum indicating that we're in an uptrend. And just like the price action technical analysis playbook says, price action and technical analysis playbook, it works on stocks, forex, options, and crypto. Now, I give this book away for free in Playmaker University, or you can get this book separately. So when we go to the table of content and we go to the rules of the uptrend, it says right here, in order for the uptrend to continue, we need to break past the previous high, which gives us a new higher high. Look at photo below. We also have to respect the support level the higher low is resting on. Right? So we have this higher high right here. So just like we go back in time, this was the higher high. Price failed to break this resistance level, which caused the rejection. Now price is back here. So I know for the uptrend to continue, we need to break this resistance level and turn it into a support level. And we also need to respect the support level and not break it and turn it into resistance. Okay. So now that I know what we're looking for, which is buys, because again, if everything's showing us buys, only go for buys. Everything showing us sells, only go for sells. Trading is about going for high probability, high quality setups. It's not about chasing price. What I teach the members and students is follow the flow of price. Chasing price, like we see right here, is how you fall for these fake outs and liquidity sweeps. Because if we go to one for sells here, just because price was going down again on the smaller time frame, meaning what it's doing at that exact moment, doesn't mean that's what price is going to do for the week or the rest of the day, as we can see here, right? This is why it's very, very, very important to understand what you're looking at and to go for, again, high probability, high quality setups. Now that we know we're in an uptrend, we're looking for buys, this is when we mark off our key price levels. Boom, now we got our key price levels marked off. Again, for the uptrend to continue, we need to break this resistance level and turn it into support. So we know what our game plan is. So now that we got our key price levels marked off, this is when we go to the smaller time frame and look for where we're going to enter an X step. But before we do that, again, look at the date right here. This is June 3rd. Right here, this is Friday. So this is what price did Sunday night going into Monday. Pushed up. So after I saw price do this, again, look at the date, the 2nd, that's when I sent that screenshot on the 3rd to say, yeah, we're definitely looking for buys and we can hold this level as support. So then when we go into the smaller time frame, again, all we have to do is wait to see if price is going to either hold this low as support and go for buys here, or hold this low as support and go for buys here. Now, when we look at the time here, this was towards the end of New York session going to Tokyo session. So I did not trade this during that time. I only take trades after 12 o'clock. And I wasn't on the charts Tokyo session that night. So I didn't go back into the charts till London session. So this is what we was looking at going into London session, right? And if you watch the London session live, we go live every day, London session 3 a.m. EST on YouTube. So you click that first link in the description, you can see that for yourselves. I also send a link out every day as soon as we go live. So if you watch Tuesday's live stream, I literally broke down this setup in the Tuesday live stream, right? So again, price did this move here. And then going into New York session, that's when I said we could look for buys here if we hold it as support. So again, all we got to do is wait to see if price is going to hold that level as support. Again, we don't go for breakouts, we go for break and retest. So after we saw here price retesting and held this level as support, which is why in that picture I showed the arrow bouncing off the level. Again, everything I do is purposeful with a reason. That is when I said, okay, we can definitely go for buys here. And again, you can't control the markets. This is why you want to go with high probability, high quality setups, because when volume kicks in, the markets are going to do the job you needed to do. Now, again, look at how accurate these levels are. Look how price reacted here. Look how price reacted here. Look how price perfectly retested this level. Look how price reacted and turned this level into support. Look how price is reacting to this level. This is exactly why we mark off our key price levels and enter and exit off these levels. It's that simple, y'all. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free Signal free Telegram, y'all. If you're interested in learning how to identify these levels, my Signal service on the mentorship programs, make sure to hit those links in the description. But before you make a decision, let me tell you a little bit about those details. If you're interested in taking your trading to the next level and learning directly from me, join Playmaker University, or I recommend scheduling a one-on-one session where profitable traders and confident traders are made. Not only are you going to get my complete strategy in video format, going over how to read the charts, how to identify my key price levels, those blue and gold lines y'all stay asking me in the comment section, how to enter and exit trades, how to trade news, my scalping strategy, my secret buy and sell limit strategy, trading psychology, how to deal with wins and losses, how to scale into trades, how to never blow your account again, how to double your account every month. But you will also get daily analysis setups for life, student member group chat, daily trade recaps for life, exclusive New York lives and trading plan Zooms. And y'all gonna get my famous price action technical analysis playbook that works on stocks, forex, options, and crypto. And on top of that, you're going to get the trader's mindset, mastering psychology and risk management playbook that goes over leveraging risk, mastering discipline, how to never blow your account again, learn how to trust yourself while staying cool, calm, and collected. This is what helped one of my students turn $4, as you can see, yes, to $275. That is not Photoshop. You can see he's saying right here, I followed the playbook through a Hail Mary. Shout out for all you do. This is why I always say to follow the flow price and not chase price. His last dollars, he was damn near, he basically blew his account. And because he followed my teachings, trusted the playbook, he was able to turn a $4 account to almost $300 account. It's literally that simple, y'all. I made all the mistakes, so you don't have to make the mistakes. Instead, just learn from my mistakes and be successful quicker. So if you're interested in learning how to consistently not only grow your accounts, but consistent $500 to $1,000 days, click that first link in the description, watch the free trading crash course. Or if you already know you're ready to get in and lock in with me, click the link to go join Playmaker University or the one-on-one sessions, and I'll see you on the other side. Shout out to the Playmakers, man. Now, Advanced Play Signal, we literally just had a 100% win rate last week, and this is the exact same strategy I teach in the one-on-one sessions and in Playmaker University that averages not just a 90% win rate on a weekly basis, but also on a monthly and quarterly basis as well. You see right here, 16-1, 94% win rate. You see here another 100% win rate on the week. We go to a whole nother month. You see here how we ended Q1 this year, 44-5, giving us a 90% win rate, 17-3 January, 14-1 February, March, 13-1. And if we go to how we ended last year, 2024, we literally went 181 wins, 23 losses, averaging an 89% win rate all 12 months combined, averaging less than 2 losses per month. You're not going to find any other mentorship or signaling service that does stuff like this. And not only do I call accurate signals, but I give you my entry, my S cells, my TPs. I notify you when the TPs get hit. I give y'all updates in the trades, and I drop a New York price watch list showing y'all what price is doing in that trade we're in, as well as what to expect and anticipate going into New York session, as well as other possible setups going into New York session. I go over whether you should look for buys or sells. I go over specific price points. and all of that good stuff, y'all. And you'll also get the advanced play signal room for completely free when you sign up and apply for one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions, I make sure you earn while you learn. So not only do I teach my exact same strategy on a Zoom call on the charts just like this, but you get one session a week. Each session is an hour long, recorded and sent to you the same day. Those recordings are yours to keep for life, y'all. So you definitely get a huge return on investment, as well as you get access to the student member group chat and the advanced play signal room. So be interested in your trading to the next level. You know exactly what to do. Hit those links in the description, y'all. If you want to contact me directly, you can DM me on Instagram, TikTok, or Telegram. I respond to all messages. See y'all in the university, y'all. See y'all in the next video. Peace. We out.